Alrighty, time for another Sleepytini, right? Okay, today we're gonna do what I call the kitchen sink because there's just so many good things that I can't even decide today. So I'm starting off with some watermelon. Let's drop that in here. I'm gonna put in some fresh, ripe mango. Get that off of here. Okay. Mango. How about some nice apple? All right. Put that in there. And pear. We need pear. So we put some pieces of pear in there. And then blueberries. Not letting those suckers get away. Oh, no, no, no. Blueberries. Look at that. It's a pretty full glass. But we got to put in our melatonin. 3 milligrams of melatonin. Chamomile tea. And muddle away. Actually, look at the colors in there. That's pretty. I don't even want to mess it up, but I guess I will. All in the name of science. This one takes a little bit of effort because the pear and the apple, they're not easy to muddle. The watermelon is easy, and the blueberries are easy. And this mango is so ripe, it's easy. Once you get started, it goes pretty well. Look at this. Some of these blueberries are trying to escape, as they always do when you muddle. Somebody needs to come up with a better muddling glass for blueberries so they can't get away from you so easily. All right, martini shaker. Ice. This is going to take a little bit of time because we don't want to get all the pulp in there because we'll never be able to shake it up. So we're trying to get just the juice so that we can cool down our tremendous mixture here and give you one of the best Sleepytinis that we've made. When someone calls it the kitchen sink, you know it's good. Ever been to an ice cream parlor and they have the kitchen sink sundae and it comes out in one of those like gallon-sized bowls and they've got every kind of ice cream that they have, all the different flavors, and you get to just sort of dig in and eat to your heart's content because it's your birthday? Well, you know what? You can drink this even if it's not your birthday. I give you permission. All right, time to mix away. Put a glass here, and here we go. Now, that is what a kitchen sink looks like. What does it taste like? That tastes like a kitchen sink in a good way. There's so many flavors in there. It's like a carnival. Wow. You really get the mango because I think it's a little bit stronger than all the other ingredients. But the others are there. They're just subtle. Again. Definitely mango, and everything else is just sort of blending together. Yeah, it's like a carnival or the state fair. This is great. Well, this has been another episode of Sleepytinis with Sleep Science Today. Anything and everything you want to know to help you sleep better, you need to come to Sleep Science Today and watch. We got long form radio shows. We got the world's leading experts. We got product reviews, hotel reviews. We got books. We got so many things. Whatever you want to know about sleep, we got it here, Sleep Science Today. So in order to find that out, what do you need to do? You need to subscribe, right? You need to hit the like button, right? You need to get the notification bell going so you'll know when we drop new videos. And boy, do we have a lot of stuff to drop for you. And tell your friends. And hopefully you'll try out some of these. You'll come back, you'll comment, and you'll let us know, how do you like it? Give us your own recipe. Make up your own name. Let's give it a try. We'll see you on Sleep Science Today. And as we always say, sleep science today and sleep better tonight.